Peace be upon you and your family. 12th Chemistry Refresher Course Model, Unit 11, Basic Concept in Organic Reaction. Answer key, Student Activity and Assessment. First, Student Activity. Question number 1 is, what are electrophile and nucleophile? Nucleophile are negatively charged species. Electrophiles are positively charged species. Nucleophiles, nucleus loving reagent. These are electron loving reagent. These are electron rich species, electron deficient species. Nucleophile donate a pair of electron to form a covalent bond. Electrophile accept a pair of electron to form a covalent bond. It attacks the carbocation. It attacks carbanion. Nucleophile is a Lewis base and electrophile is Lewis acid. Examples: ammonia, water molecule, alcohol, ether, hydrogen sulfide, Cl minus, Br minus, OH minus, Cn minus. Example of electrophile are non-metallic oxide, carbon dioxide, carbon dichloride, aluminum chloride, boron trifluoride, ferric chloride, H plus ion, hydronium ion, nitrosonium ion, nitro ion, nitronium, nitrosonium, etc. Come to question number 2. Identify the electrophilic center in the following. First one is acetaldehyde. We have to find out the plus center. Acetaldehyde molecular formula CH3 C double bond OH. Oxygen is more electronegative, therefore oxygen pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. Oxygen becomes minus, carbon becomes plus. What is saying? Electrophilic center, carbon is the electrophilic center. In methyl cyanide, acetonitrile, ethane nitrile, the Cn group attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. Methyl becomes plus, carbon becomes minus, Cn. And in CH3I, iodomethane, methyl iodide. Iodine is more electronegative, therefore it pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself, tel minus, tel plus. This is electrophilic center. Come to question number 3. What are the species produced by the heterolytic bond cleavage? Heterolytic bond cleavage, sharing of paired electron by one of the carbon atom in a chemical bond to produce ion pairs. A single bond containing 2 electrons, that 2 electrons are completely removed by one carbon atom, thereby it gets negatively charged and this carbon gets a positively charged. The positively charged carbon center is called carbocation and negatively charged carbon center is called carbanion. Assessment number 1. Give brief account of homolytic and heterolytic cleavage. Homolytic fission, just now we have discussed the heterolytic fission. Mutual sharing of paired electrons by carbon atom in a covalent bond to produce carbon free radical. This bond containing 2 electrons. One electron is removed by one carbon. There is a dot on this carbon atom. Another electron is removed by the first carbon atom. This dot indicate free radical. What is meant by heterolytic fission? Sharing of paired electron by one of the carbon atom in a chemical bond to produce ion pairs. A single bond containing 2 electrons, it is a covalent bond. One carbon atom remove a pair of electron from the bond, thereby it gets a negatively charged, and loss of electron by this carbon atom indicated by a positive sign. This is heterolytic fission. Question number 2 under assessment. Giving Justification: categorize the following molecule or ion as nucleophile or electrophile. Among the four given, hydrogen sulfide H2S is only the nucleophile. All other three species, boron trifluoride, Lewis acid, nitronium ion and chlorine plus ion, Cl plus, are all called electrophile. Define inductive effect and hyperconjugation with an example. What is meant by inductive effect? This effect takes place in a sigma bond only. A permanent dipole plus and minus arises due to the transmission of unequal sharing of bonding electrons through a chain of atoms in a molecule is called the inductive effect. Ethyl chloride CH3 CH2Cl. Chlorine is more electronegative, therefore it pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself, therefore this pair of electron also moves towards chlorine atom. The electrons are moved in a straight bond called as inductive effect. There are two types of inductive effect: plus I effect, electron releasing group in a chemical bond. Example, methyl methoxy NH2 is called plus I effect. Electron withdrawing group, example, NO2 CN COOH COOR. If these groups are present, it withdraws the electron towards itself, and methyl methoxy, they boost the electron towards the Cl or Cn, etc. etc. Hyperconjugation or Packard-Northern effect. It is a permanent effect. It involves delocalization of sigma electron of CH bond of an alkyl group directly attached to an atom of unsaturated system or to an atom with an unshared p electron. Hyperconjugation. Here you have CH3 CH2, one orbital of one carbon atom. Now combine or removed. The bond between one carbon atom CH bond is now shifted towards the carbon atom. For an example, see this ethyl plus. What happens? Carbon hydrogen sigma bond is shifted between two carbon atom. Therefore, now there is no bond between carbon and hydrogen. Hydrogen becomes positively charged ion. One more sigma bond shifting takes place. Bond is nothing but negatively charged. Minus moves towards plus. Now there is no positive, there is no bond between carbon and hydrogen. Positive charge on this hydrogen atom. One more bond shifting takes place. Now there is a positive charge on this hydrogen atom. There is no bond. This bond is shifted. This is called hyperconjugation. The increased electron delocalization associated with the hyperconjugation increases the stability of the system. Up to this unit 11 basic concept in organic reaction AnswerKey is over. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.